What is going on, you guys? Today we're going to be installing the alarm, so always roll down the windows. Next, you're going to ply up on this panel, take this kick panel off, place it in your trunk somewhere safe. Then what you're going to do, you're going to unscrew this bolt here on your junction box, put it somewhere safe. And then you're going to look for this top, you're going to flip it around, you're going to unplug this, flip the box around. On the second harness, you will see here, there's a couple wires, and I made a cheat sheet, so here it is. So for the unlock lock wire, which goes to your junction box, which on your any alarm system is a blue and green wire, those go to, you just got to look, it's on the first or second connector from the top. It's the dark blue, light green, that is the unlock. The green is lock. That is white, purple on the junction box. So next we're going to be taking off that plate. We need to find the 12-volt accessory wire. Okay guys, so the ignition harness, the key is here on the opposite side, all the way at the back. There's this weird looking thing. You unplug this clip, which is this. The 12-volt consistent is this one right here. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, as you can see, we have got the wire spliced in the hole. We will be putting this one through it, and we will be twisting it around, and I will show you how we do that. That is how I've been splicing all these wires safely, strongly. So once we button this up, we will go ahead, plug it to the power on there. I'm gonna just do everything so I can see if the system works. We will check on that. Okay guys, as you can see, we got the positive running to the positive to the negative, which is those two wires right there, positive, negative. As of right now, I gotta hold on, I'll put my phone like this. As I can see, we can test it right now. I just gotta hold the negative to a piece of metal, click the button on lock. Oh wait, that's armed. This is disarmed. As you can see, when I do it, the locks go up and down. Oh, wait. So it's working. So we're gonna bundle everything up, hide everything. I'm gonna ground this negative actually somewhere over there, so it's all in one place. The only wire I had to run over this side was the positive. I was gonna hook up the remote start, but that's too much work, to be honest. So stay tuned when we get all this wired up. And while I'm wiring it up, I'm also gonna be disconnecting the battery again, just in case anything shorts. So peace. We finally finished mounting the alarm. I put it in this location right by the strut tower, drilled it in with self-tapping screws. So this is the final product.
Viper disarm violation.
That's unlock, lock.
Viper arm.
There you go. As you can see, the door handles are working. Unlock,
Viper disarm violation.
lock.
Viper arm.
There you go. So basically, I was just checking out the car. I looked inside here, and I've actually found the old turn signal light. So I have one that looks good condition. That one was kind of fallen through. It's cracked with water in it. So we're gonna be ordering this one today. We're gonna be replacing them both. And then next we're gonna be doing the headlights. And I'm just gonna freshen them. But the headlights don't need to be changed. They're just really dirty. Like, I haven't washed this car. They're just dirty. And then we're gonna give the car a wash, try to get this paint off. I'll be making a video on how to get spray paint off the car. As you can see, it's not that thick, so it should be able to just scrub right out with some chemicals. So yeah guys, once again, lock. Oops, it's already locked. Unlock.
Viper disarm violation.
Lock.
Viper arm.
And then I unplugged the proximity sensor.
Violation.
I unplugged the proximity sensor, so I'm gonna plug it in real quick and show you guys. Okay, so this is with proximity sensor in. This is how you use it. You lock the car. Yet again, I did not set the frequency away from the car, so I would have to actually go, like I'm peeking through the window. That's when it will go off. So lock. Viper armed. Here's the key. So right now it's calculating the movement around the car. So in a few seconds, I'll walk up to the car like I'm trying to look inside of it, and it should say step away. So here's the key.
Protected by Viper. Stand back.
We did put the deck in. Yeah, that's pretty much all we did. We're gonna do a cleaning. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering, I hid the proximity sensor in here and put the cap on. You will never know it's there. But yeah, anyways, we got the deck in. It works amazing. The interior looks so nice in this car. You can see we got the keys back. Shout out to my old car. But yeah, guys, we're basically gonna do a detailing, change those turn signals, try to get the paint off, change the front headlights. I love how it does that. Look at this. As soon as you open the door, the windows go down. That's so cool. Alright, guys. Oh, and also we're going to be doing an exhaust soon. A Flowmasters exhaust, single one. So stay tuned for further videos. Thank you.
Viper armed.
Man, that's so cool.